Trust issue with my good old doc. Trust issue where my friends all talk.
Has this been the most inspiring day or what? Amazing! Woo-hoo! And we have one more amazing speaker for you. And all of them have been so great. Dr. Martin Picard is an associate professor in the Department of Psychiatry and Neurology at Columbia University Irving Medical Center. He's also co-director of the Science of Health program in the Butler Columbia Aging Center. Martin has done groundbreaking work exploring how brain and energetics is connected to the mitochondria in our cells. And if you don't know what that means, you're about to learn.
Thank you. This is a special day. It's time for change, and I think you see the energy here that you make possible. Every day, every single moment is an opportunity to heal. Every meal we take, every bite, isn't just fuel. We feed our ability to repair, to grow. Every thought in your mind. We are, in essence, a dynamic movement of energy. Ever changing, shaped by interaction with each other and by the food we put in our bodies. Every meal is an opportunity to heal. Energy is overlooked in medicine. It's the missing dimension of medicine. Today's biomedical science often misses this, treating our bodies like machines, but we are not machines with cogs that run those right. The human body-mind system is a dynamic movement of energy. Each of us burning in our unique expression, with our warmth, with our passions, with our imperfections, with our talents and our gifts. To recognize our energetic nature, to truly understand that we're made of energy, will mark the beginning of a profound shift in how we think about health and disease. I've dedicated my career and my life to understanding what allows us to heal, what allows us to stay healthy for decades, what allows us to overcome life's challenges. What is it that gives us resilience and the ability to heal? And the answer is not in our genes. It's profoundly about energy. Think about it. The first thing a newborn does when they come out into this beautiful world is to take a deep breath, to feed their mitochondria. Mitochondria used to be free-living little bacteria, and now there are hundreds of thousands of these tiny little beautiful things that populate the inside of every one of your cell, every cell of your brain. Mitochondria transform the oxygen that we breathe in. The purpose of breathing is to feed your mitochondria. And the food that we eat to power your body and to power your mind. The flow of energy for these tiny intracellular processors are the reason why you can feel your breath right now. And the reason why you can hear these words and think critically about what's been presented today. Mitochondria and the energy flow of your mitochondria is the reason why you can feel sad or inspired about the future. The mitochondria are actually the reason we exist at all. When your mitochondria don't function as they should, not get the right nutrients or poisoned by pesticides or toxins that we often consume, your energy is deficient. Our mental clarity fogs, our emotional resilience wanes, and we become vulnerable. Mental health issues, they are fundamentally, as Chris Palmer explains, metabolic disorders of the brain's density of energy. The organism itself does the healing. You, with your mind and your body's incredible capacity to adapt, are the healer. And while drugs can't heal, foods have. The right nutrition is pulled many back of daily struggles, chronic mental and physical illness. So many individuals have reversed severe chronic health conditions through nutritional ketosis or by finding a diet that works for them. And now there are many research studies showing that while drugs suppress symptoms that make us more comfortable, they don't heal. And there are also many research studies showing us that human connections and transformational experiences, lasting, and the right food can heal. Every meal is an opportunity to heal. I'm not a clinician, but I see the effects of impaired mitochondrial biology every week in the clinic in patients with rare mitochondrial diseases. When the mitochondria's ability to transform energy is compromised, it affects every organ in the body. That leads to shorter and more difficult lives. And we all see the broader crisis in our children, our future, becoming entangled in a web of obesity and over-medication, failing to fulfill their actual potential, their full health potential. In part, because we feed them foods and encourage behaviors that deprive their mitochondria of sustainable energy. It's not just about individual health. I think it's about changing our culture. It's time for change, and it's time for a metabolic revolution. The science of energy must inform nutrition science and how we teach and practice medicine. Good food choices that nourish the flame of life flowing through your mitochondria can bring health into your life. Good food and healthy mitochondria can bring health in your developing children and their friends. Good food and healthy mitochondria can bring energy and longevity in our families. Good food and healthy mitochondria can help keep us sane and keep the brains of our aging population healthy for longer, preventing dementia and Alzheimer's. It's time to change the guidelines. We can do so much better. We need better guidelines. Let's feed our mitochondria so that they can heal us.